Hello from Chef Diamond's Kitchen. How are you all doing? Are you new here? Please subscribe and turn on your notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. In this video, I share how to make pasta with tuna fish and cherry tomatoes. Ever since I came to Italy, this has been my favorite. Pasta with tuna fish and cherry tomatoes. Here I have garlic, onions, black pepper, oregano, olive oil, onions and scotch bonnet pepper, cherry tomatoes, tuna fish and pasta. This is very easy to make and I hope you are going to love this recipe. First of all, we are going to wash our tomatoes neatly and start slicing. I'm going to cut this into 4 parts. After slicing all these tomatoes, I am going to set aside. The next item I'm going to start slicing is my onions. And after slicing these onions, I will set aside 2. And here I have the garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, which I'm going to pound together. If you don't have these, you can also blend or chop them together. Now that it's ready, I'm going to pour the olive oil in the pan and allow it for about 2 minutes. Then I will start frying the pounded ingredients. After stir frying this for about 2 to 3 minutes, we are going to add the onions. Stir fry it again for about 2 minutes. Then I will add the cherry tomatoes and stir together. Next, I will add my black pepper, oregano, and salt to taste. Then I will stir again and allow cook. I will just cover it and allow cook for about 7 minutes. In another pot, I place a pot of water on the fire. This I will be using to cook my pasta. I checked on the tomatoes right now and it's ready. I will be adding the tuna fish. Please note, it doesn't matter you need to use tuna fish in making this. You can use any other fish like scuba fish and any other fish. Just debone it and you are good to go. Now let's check on the pasta, adding some salt and allow cook. And the pasta is ready. We are going to sieve them and add it into the sauce right now. And give it a good stir. Oh my God, my kitchen is smelling so nice at this point. And I will be adding some basil leaves to it. This will give it a very nice aroma. Do you love this recipe? Then leave me a comment below. Let me know where you are watching from. Let me know if you love this. I really appreciate you for watching this video. and now I will be enjoying. Thanks for watching the video and goodbye.